Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. Super excited to be outside this evening, here with the RX-5, prepping this for IVA. As you know, it's the OMEX management system on this, so we've done some testing on this today and yesterday, put some miles on her. She runs 160 brake horsepower basically, as you know, 22 more than stock, which is awesome, but also with the cat on it, it still runs 160 horsepower and it's emissions compliant, IVA compliant on the emissions as well. So that's stonking. That's basically where it should be really, because you know when you tune a car and you run it rich and everything else to get the maximum horsepower, but we managed to deliver more horsepower on OMEX with us, awesomely, and make it in with the legal requirements for emissions. But little feature in Kit Car magazine has jumped on the doorstep today as well, so if you haven't signed up or subscribed to it, do it. Adam does a great job with him and his team down there. Little feature on that with the OMEX as well system on it on the RX-5. If you like what you see and you're into your kit cars guys, then why not subscribe to our channel. Press subscribe, click on the bell icon, press all, and it'll send you notifications each week. We've got the side lights on here, the LED light pack. I'm gonna fire this up now. You can hear what she sounds like. Super quiet on idle, as you can see. Let's give her a little blip, shall we? See what she makes a nice noise. Yeah, sounds bleeding awesome. Oh, hello! Baby Busa's joined the party, look at this! Oh, blip it up then. Awesome. INDY Busa, but it means RX-5 Mazda. Yellow and yellow, like sister cars. Awesome. Choose your poison, guys. INDY with a Busa. Give it some then. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Let's do the Mazda. Let's do the Mazda. I'm excited. Awesome. Let's go in the workshop and see what's going on. Right, guys, we've pulled her back in the workshop, the Busa. As you know, we've been doing some upgrades. We've still got the carbon bits to fit, which we're going to be doing, but we had the whole back end off last week. We've refreshed the diff on this as well. We wanted to make sure everything was working, and she's set now on kill, apart from the knacker duct and the stone guards and the doors to go on now. She's set on kill, ready for test drive. She's been out today and had a good shakedown, made sure she's all ready to go. So hopefully when it opens up the doors now, this bad boy, hopefully you'll be sitting here or something and we can take you out for a little run and you can see and experience what the INDY Busa is all about. So yeah, super happy with that. Diff's awesome. Drives, just drives great, so fast. As you can hear, it sounds amazing as well. So yeah, we're happy with that. We'll get on and we'll show you what's going on down in the workshop. Okay, so in the workshop, it's crating up time. So we've got one going out to Canada here. Chassis all in, ready, crated up here. We've had the custom crate made for this. We've just got to put all the fiberglass bits here and the last final jigsaw bits of the puzzle, should we say. And this will be heading across the pond there. So looking forward to that and seeing how that project evolves for Neil's as well. But yeah, if you were looking to get it shipped abroad, it's not a problem. Custom crates are made. Courier service is available. He's going for a white fiberglass on this and something a bit different, I think, engine wise. So we've not made any engine mounts on this. It's very bespoke to him, and I'm sure he'll come up and pipe up what he's going to be putting in the future. But yeah, it's available if you want to do that. If you want to ship it abroad, USA and Canada and that, it's all available. And these crates are there. This is in non-powder coated, as you can see. So because he's going to be doing his own modifications and bits and bobs to fit his engine of choice. So yeah, cool. Let's see what else we've got going on. Right, we're actually at our other demo car, which has got the big hole in, which you can see from last week. We tore the engine out within a couple of hours, as you saw. Well, it's gone further. She's stripped to nothing. Get your hands in. To nothing. We're literally going to be going through this whole thing. We have painted the block a little bit here, so we've done a little bit of maintenance on it and tidying up. But yeah, it's going to have some new upgrades in there. You know, some bigger rods and things like that, so we can turn the boost up. Going to do some stuff on the head. Head's been stripped down, and we'll do that, and we'll probably end up porting all of that as well. Get that done. It'll run the standard gaskets back on it as well because they're pretty good, but we're going to do some tidying up, some cleaning up. Maybe the oil pump, go to a boundary oil pump or something like that, or change the gearing, up the pressure, because we're going to be turning the boost up, you know, trying to hit a 300 sort of horsepower number. It's kind of where we want to be. So we'll do this, properly do it, clean it all up, get it prepped, back together. We'll probably do some videos of showing it going back together. And yes, there's 50 ways of putting an engine back together, but this would be how we do it, I suppose, to make it reasonably reliable. I mean, once we get into the ECU, we'll probably have a couple of different boost settings for, you know, I don't know, slow, faster, and on kill, maybe something like that on the switch. But yeah, it'll be something we're looking forward to, and again, we're trying to get that done so we can have that ready for test drives as soon as possible as well. So hopefully by the end of this month, this will all be tidied up and looking like good. Same like the Busa. The Busa's set on kill now, ready to go. Super excited about it. I can't wait to see what this delivers with that kind of number on it as well. I think it'll be absolutely mental. So cool. Let's actually head over to another RX-5 over there. Right, here over at the left-hand drive RX-5 car. A few little bits done on this one as well this week. We know we had the side panels bonded on last week. Straps have come off that holds that in place. Rear tub has been bonded on as well now. We've got the very nice black aero fuel cap on there and all plumbed in, etc. as well into the fuel tank. That's all done. We've got the clear lens pack, light pack. The rear wings have been put on, the P-trim inserted. We've got the fog light with the bracket in there to make it compliant for IVA. And also, guys, don't forget this trim if you have these lights. This sharp edge does fail IVA, so this little bit of trim that's in here needs to be there because it ends up being more than a 2.5mm radius edge. Got the rear tail light, number plate light in, and the same with the reverse light again, trimmed up as well, the same. The clear lens pack, and these have got the coloured bulbs inside. So you can do the coloured lens if you want, which is the orange and red, but I quite like the clear lens, adds a bit of a more modern touch. So rear arch has gone on, bits and bobs like that's gone on it as well, and a few other little niggly bits and bobs, but she's coming on like nicely. Yellow car again, same as the other two, but you know, it polishes up so nice. I do like the yellow, especially with the black, and as soon as you stick some stripes on it. So our roll cage is fully bolted in as well now, that's all done, etc. as well. So we're ticking along quite nicely. As you know, it all runs and starts and everything. This one, we just got to start once we finish off this end here. This is pretty much the back end done. We'll now draw our attention next week to the front end. Interior panel set will go in, all the coolant lines will go in, the intake system will be done, so we'll crack on with that tomorrow as well, and hopefully it should be looking like the other RX-5 that's out there and rolling as well. But this is running standard management, so this is got the standard Mazda ECU in here, which is, you know, is emissions, look, it's emissions compliant. It's meant to run 138 stock. If you want to upgrade, we do the OMEX one to 600 that gives you a bit more horsepower, but also keeps within the emissions limits as well. So cool, it's looking good. Progress as well, looking, see how we get on with that over the next course of the week. We're showing that sort of how it evolves really. It helps, but the build manuals are there. Remember that, guys, we've got the build manuals to help you along if you're looking at getting in and building a kit. Okay guys, that's kind of where we're at this week. So don't forget, Kit Car Magazine, if you haven't subscribed, click onto that, and Adam will be, you know, does good articles in there. It's really good, interesting reading. Don't forget that. Press that subscribe button down there and catch up what we get onto each week. I'm really looking forward to the brighter weather coming, so we can, I think we're going to do some onboard stuff with this, with the Busa and the RX-5 Turbo. You know, once that monster reaches that 300 horsepower, we'll see how these two compare. Let them have a little head-to-head, shall we? See which fares best, Busa versus Turbo Mazda. I think that'll be an awesome little bit of shot and be interesting for you. So that's it. Press that subscribe button, like, share. You know where we are. We'll catch you next week.